Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you how to prove a number a rational or irrational. So basically, we'll start with the exercise 1.3 and starting with the basic question that how to prove. We have a question prove that root 2 is irrational. It is an important question. It may be asked as a root 3. We have to prove for root 3, root 5. All the steps are same. So it is mainly asked many times in the CBSE that proof root 2 is irrational. So what we need to do to prove it irrational, we suppose first of all we have to prove that root 2 is irrational. So we assume, first step is to assume it a rational number. We let root 2, let us assume, please focus on the step which I am writing. Let us assume to the contrary that root 2 is rational. So in the first step we assume that root 2 is a rational number. So if it is a rational, we know that rational can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 and have no common factor except 1. So we have taken root 2 as a rational and written root 2 is equal to p by q in the form of a rational number. So next step is step 2, squaring both sides. So when we square both sides, we'll get under root 2 square is equal to p square by q square. So root 2 square is 2, p square and q square we write as it is. On cross multiplication we get p square is equal to 2 times of q square. So q square can be written as p square upon 2. What does it means? It means 2 divides p square. अगर 2 p square को डिवाइड करता है तो 2 must divide p also. So we take number 1 this and number 2 this. Now we have checked that p square is divisible by 2, so p is also divisible by 2. Now step 3. In step 3 we let which we'll check that p is also divisible 2 by 2 or not. So we write let p is equal to 2m, where m is some integer so putting the value of p in 1, we get q square is equal to, we put p is equal to 2m in first equation, so q square is equal to 2m square upon 2. p की जगह हमने किसकी वैल्यू डाल दी, p इज इक्वल टू 2m स्क्र. तो वट विल गेट 2m स्क्र इज 4m स्क्र डिवाइडेड बाई 2 विल गेट 2m स्क्र. तो इट मीन्स q स्क्र इज इक्वल टू 2 m square. Clear? Now next step is, it means m square is equal to q square by 2. So this shows that 2 divides q square. अगर 2 q square को डिवाइड करता है तो 2 q को भी डिवाइड करेगा. तो यहाँ से हमने क्लियर कर लिया. इसको हम ले लेंगे नंबर 3 पॉइंट. सो फ्रॉम सेकेंड एंड थर्ड we have checked that 2 is dividing p, 2 is dividing q. So we write from 1 and 2. So we have checked that p divides p, 2 divides p, 2 divides q. From 1 and 3rd we write in next step from 1 and from 2nd and 3rd we get both p and q are divisible by 2. Clear? So if it is divisible by 2, we can write it means that they have 2 as a common factor. If they have 2 as a common factor, तो this contradict the fact, क्योंकि इन रैशनल नंबर में तो कॉमन फैक्टर कोई होगा नहीं. अगर कॉमन फैक्टर इसमें आ रहा है तो दिस कॉन्ट्रेडिक्ट द फैक्ट that p and q have no common factor except 1. मीन्स उनका कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होगा एक्सेप्ट 1 का. अगर उनका कोई फैक्टर नहीं है तो जो हमने सपोज करा था कि √2 इज़ अ इरेशनल, तो वो तो हमारा रॉन्ग हो गया कि √2 इरेशनल हुआ. फिर तो हम लिख देंगे जो हमने सपोजिशन प्रूव करी थी, दिस कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट द फैक्ट दैट पी एच कैन नो कॉमन फैक्टर देन एक्सेप्ट 1. सो आवर सपोजिशन इज wrong. Hence √2 is an irrational number. Clear? So this is the basic steps to prove √2 is rational number. If we get √2, √5, √7, so same step we will follow to prove √2 is a irrational number.